In this setup we are using this AMSA kit through the PC control mode. Okay, so we can use this kit through the PC mode and panel mode. So if we want to use this kit using PC mode, we have to turn on the software. See here, software is, I am opening the software. Okay, once you open it, here select the control. Okay, panel and PC. Okay, panel, that means we can operate this kit through this keys which is on the front panel of the key. Okay, and if we want to use this kit through PC mode, we have to click on the PC. Once you click on the PC, here it will ask select a COM port. Okay, COM port, that means here how we have interfaced this kit through the PC, through which particular port. So here COM3, I have connected this kit with the computer through the COM port 3, so that's why I am selecting COM3. After that, press on the OK. Once you press it on the OK, after that here which experiment do you want to perform? Far field pattern, proof of that theorem, or user defined experiment. By default we are going to use a far field pattern because we want to study the pattern, and in experiment we have to select a co-polarization because transmitting antenna and receiving antenna both are co-polarized antenna. Okay, and type of transmitting antenna, that means here a wire antenna because folded dipole is wire antenna, and name of the receiver is the linear dipole. Okay, then after, when you press on start, okay, then OK, then it will display this window. It is showing you the setting which you have done in the system. Okay, and frequency is 700 megahertz, clear by default. OK, when you press OK, after that, see, so here antenna is rotating automatically because stepper motors are there. Computer will give the command to the stepper motor, so it will change its step through, so antenna will change its angle through the stepper motor. Okay, see here by default, here in the PC I have set 5.4 degree angle separation. Okay, once it complete the 0 to 360 degree, then after we can directly get its a radiation pattern in the polar form in this software. So you can see the polar pattern directly on the window of this software. See here, this is a pattern which we are getting, clear, of the folded dipole. After that you can store this image, go into the file, save image. Okay, and you can store it in the computer. Clear? And we can take the data in Excel file, polar plot data, so it will store in .csv file that you can open it through the Excel. Okay, so save. So after that, when you open that file, this one, so you can see here the two column, one is angle, and corresponding to that angle the signal received by the receiving antenna. So total the angle separation is 5.4, so total I think 72 readings will be there. Okay, and by using this data we can plot a polar pattern and Cartesian pattern. Okay, so we will provide this Excel sheet to you. to plot the polar pattern and Cartesian pattern.